Hey guys, Fantastic here. Today we're unboxing the 6-foot animated Nightmare Specter, or as it says on the box, animated ghost. So this is my most anticipated prop this year. It's only $100, which is really good. But I've been waiting for it to go online, and then yesterday on TikTok I saw somebody post a video of the DJ at their store, and in the background you could actually see this ghost. So I called a bunch of stores today, drove about an hour each way. I think it was pretty much an hour each way for this one. And I am super excited to unbox it. So you can see the box is extremely small. Yeah, originally it was called Nightmare Specter, which I think is just a much cooler name. But yeah, let's get to unboxing this. Yeah, so luckily this box is extremely small for people who are conscious about their storage. And they had a lot of other props at the store. They had Mummy Mickey, Spider, the Gravedigger. Okay, right off the bat, I see some thick metal. Let's see. Instructions. It says animated ghost on here. There's his head. Very nice looking head. Let's see if I can get this on the camera. Very hard plastic. You're not going to get thicker plastic than this. And it's got that powder coated type of paint on it. These are his hands. Unbox in a minute. Here's his general parts. And he has that fluffing lumberings on it. He has. Okay. Okay, interesting. It has the party time type of module. Let's see if I can get this on camera. So not the newer outdoor Tekky ones. It has the kind of older style module, but still cool. 5.9 volt. He has an outdoor adapter, so you could probably modify this guy to be outdoor. And here are his clothes. Pretty nice clothes. I mean, generic prop clothes. They feel like they'll last, so yeah, let's set this guy up. I'm just gonna cut all the zip ties and yeah. All right, first off, we have to attach the base supports labeled L and R. And we've seen this on the Peekaboo Clown this year and some other props. So they just slide right into here. Yeah, I'm happy this thing is all metal. I was worried it'd be plastic poles or maybe he'd be battery only. He has an adapter, so that is very good. I just have to put the other one on now. And these just help for wind support and just making sure it doesn't fall over outside. Alright, and then next up we have the poles labeled A, if I can find them. And then the poles labeled B. And here we have his body with module. I'm just gonna snap it on right over here. Flip them around. Make sure the white fabric is facing the front. And so next up we have his clothing, which we're going to slide on now. I can find the opening to it. Yeah, I'm happy with how the clothes are. I was worried it'd be like really cheap landscape fabric or I don't know, just the price worried me, but so far very pleased with it. Let's see, is that on correctly? Hopefully. Our next beta test is arm level D. Alright, sorry about that. My phone overheated and I lost last piece of the setup. But it's just putting the cloth on top, attaching the arms, and plugging in the wires. It's super simple. So I'm going to plug him in now and see what kind of audio he has. Because I have not heard or seen anything about this guy yet. Let's see.
Sense the spine-tingling chill in the air. Listen for the bell to ring. With every toll, I get closer. With every ring, your fate draws nearer.
Let's fix this one with his audio. Or, cool.
In the dead of night, I haunt your dreams. I'm here to collect your screams. Fear the darkness closing in, for in the shadows I dwell.
So far, amazing audio quality, and the voice just sounds crazy good. Super happy with this for $100, but let's see what else he does.
Run, for time is catching you. You might be a clever one, but you are not clever enough to escape this dead end. Listen to the call of death. The corpse bell slowly tolls for thee. Join us in our call to the midnight hour. Sense the spine-tingling chill in the air. Listen for the bell to ring. With every toll, I get closer. With every ring, your fate draws nearer.
Yeah, seriously, this is like genuinely one of my favorite props of all time. Just great voice, great look. The price is phenomenal. There's really not much else to say about this guy. It speaks for itself. If you see it at your store, just grab it immediately. I'm already a fan of Ghosts, but this thing is just crazy good. I'll give it one more activation, and yeah, thank you guys for watching.
In the dead of night, I haunt your dreams. I'm here to collect your screams. Fear the darkness closing in, for in the shadows I dwell.
Crazy cool. All right, thank you guys for watching.